I'm going to be doing a little liner and lashes tips and tricks. So basically, this is kind of a tutorial, but it's for the people like me who are actually rubbish at eyeliner and lashes. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Aren't you looking good? I see you haven't picked up any bleach. Or maybe you have and you just did it a lot better than I did. Anyway, so here we are, my second tips and tricks tutorial, and today we're going to be talking all things liner and lashes. So if you're like me and you really struggle to do eyeliner and apply false lashes, then sit tight because I'm going to try and show you exactly how I kind of hack doing eyeliner and lashes. So for this, I'm just going to be using the liquid liner because I figured I would try and give you a wing. I feel like I'm overstepping myself even filming this. I'm asking too much of myself, but here we go. Woo. Okay, so how I usually begin is I start from the inner corner, work my way out, just so I've got the bit on my lid kind of sorted as a thin line. I also find it easier sometimes to just keep my eyes open because you can actually see how the eyeliner is falling on your eye. Do you see? Whereas if it's closed, it looks a bit jagged, but we'll fix that later. So now that we've got the basic part of the liner done, when we do the cat eye, we will correct how it looks when it's closed because we're gonna have to close our eye to do this bit. So how I usually try and do it is I look at where my brow ends, where my eyeliner kind of is 3/4 of the way. So about there where I've done that little dot. And you try and connect that dot to the top corner of the eye, just about there where I've drawn the line. Okay, wish me luck. That might have been a bit too intense, guys. Okay, so now from about 3/4, you want to try and connect that to the middle of your eye. Like that, and you can tell that I'm really shit at eyeliner. Then you basically just want to try and smooth that line out and fill it in. Okay, so we've corrected the inner bit, and as you can see, guys, my wing is tweaking up really badly. So if this happens to you, this is how you fix it. So just get a cotton bud and correct the line. Just like that. That went way better than I expected it to. Woo! Trusty cotton buds. So that is how I do a winged liner. And now just to show you the difference, even though I'm gonna look ratchet as hell, I'll go in with my pencil on this eye so you can see how I would do a kind of more smudged liner without a wing. I kind of start it in a really similar way and just bring it in. I basically try and draw down into my lashes Okay, so that's the eyeliner portion of the video. Before I do my lashes, I'm just going to even this up on the other side. I can attempt to do a wing with this one, just for the shits and giggles for you guys. If it doesn't go well, I will edit it out. So for this tips and tricks, I'm going to be using the Eyeliner Accents number 3 3/4 lashes, and they are wispy 3/4, my fake tan, wispy 3/4 lashes, and I find that they're good for everyday to like casual. You do you with your lashes, whoever you are, wear what you want, but if you don't know quite what you're doing and it's a bit of a struggle, then these might be a little bit easier for your first time. Then obviously I've got some lash glue here, and I also have a pair of tweezers because I find it quite difficult to apply lashes with just my fingers. I find it a lot easier if I take the lash and pinch it in the center right by the base with the tweezers and hold that there. Get your lash glue, apply it all along the top of the lash like this. Let it settle for a sec, and then take the center, the tweezers, and try and push that into the center of your eye as close to your lash line as possible. And as you can see, didn't blink and work. Okay, so when that doesn't work, try and push it back to where it should be. Take your tweezers and knock them down into your lash line. And we salvaged it because of tweezers. All I did was knock the front on and then lightly pushed the line downwards towards my own lashes. I'll give that a second to dry, and then the next thing I do is I pinch my own lashes into the fake ones. So just gently pinching all along, making sure that everything is in its place, just like that. I do like to then go in and apply a coat of mascara just to the underneaths, just to make sure everything is really blended. When I take my lashes off, I do try and pick up any of the gunk off them, because I do like to try and reuse them a few times, because lashes are expensive. And that is basically it, guys. We did it. We've got two lovely, if not slightly different, but disguised wings. Like, I think I get away with it. And that's basically all I've got for you today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below with any suggestions you may have for people who struggle, any tips for me, because I'm still learning myself, and any ideas you have for this tips and tricks series, because I would love to know what you guys would like to see me doing. And with that, I will see you guys in the next one. Love ya.